Hello everyone. Here today we are going to show you our new type of the LED screens. For this type we have so many radial locks to adjust the angle. Now we are going to show you all of this lock. And for now we have three kinds of the LED screen cabinets. For this type is the 500 and the 500 with the lock, and to adjust the angle and the others for this and this. Now here we have three kinds of the cabinets. The first one is this. We have shown the adjusted lock with this angle to adjust like this, and besides we still have the right angle like this one, can make it curved and also can be put into a cube. And then we still have this one, have 501 meters height to just combine each other for this. Usually the normal just can be assembled with the normal, but we can make it all of these three kinds to get together. Why? Because we have the three kinds of the special radial locks to just. First, as you can see, we have these all kinds of the radial locks. We just put it together into the lock like this one and this one. We use 4 screws to make it to get together into the cabinets. So as you can see, this one, all of these locks are different. Well, as you can see, this is the curve with the normal. Well, with this curved and right angle cabinet, we have the special one locked with this two, and here is a little angles we can adjust. Once we have to combine this, we can just change the locks. Also, you can see there and here there are differences. As you can see, the curved cabinets, we use the special locks with this, and we have the 10 degree for 50 degrees to change with this cabinet and use it as an inner and outer cabinet to make it the whole screens with the different size as you wish. Now here is the 501 meter height cabinet with the curved. As you can see, if you want to make them be gathered together, we have to use the special locks like this. This one is different with this because we just change it. As you can see, this kind is the same with the curve. So we now have just made a sample to show you this lock and this lock is different size. And if you want them to get together like this one and like this two one with this, you have to change the lock. Every locks we can help you to make it which one is the right, and once you want to get them together, we can make it. Okay, here is them. First, as you can see, we make this one LED screens with the inner curved because we adjust the degree, as you can see, to show all of it. It's difference with the normal because we make it as a curved LED screens. Also, we can make it as a inner and outer. You can make it as you wish.